My name is my identity. My name is Josephine James Renee Wilson Rose, and for me, my name is very important because it has a meaning. To me, a name can help people understand you and get to know you. If I was a boy, my name would be Hugo, but since I'm a girl, my name is Josephine. To name me, there were 3 rules. 1, it had to be a name that can easily be said in French and English. 2, it had to have my mom's last name in it, which is Wilson. And 3, obviously, they both had to love it. The name Josephine is just a name that both of my parents love, but it also happens to be the name of one of my distant ancestors. The name James came from my great-grandfather on my mom and dad's side. I don't know much about them because I have never met them. My name Renee came from my great-grandfather on my dad's side. He was very sick when my mom was pregnant with me and held on until he got the message that I was alive and healthy. The day after I was born, he died. In memory of him, one of my middle names is named after him, Renee. My ancestors on my mom's side are pilgrims who came over on the Mayflower to America. And on my dad's side, my ancestors are French from France. They were some of the first French people to come over. When I was only a few weeks old, I got my American citizenship since my mom is an immigrant from America. She came to Canada for CEGEP and decided to stay because of my dad. Since my mom is American, half of my family lives in America and the other half in Canada. I am a proud Quebecoise because I have lived here my entire life and love the community. One of my main communities that I feel a part of is Gymboree. Gymboree is my gymnastics center, and I'm there 20 hours a week, so you can understand why it feels like second home. My name is Josephine James Renee Wilson Rose. Having a name that has a meaning can help me feel a part of my family's community.